Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Workiva tasks for cross-team collaboration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Workiva account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your projects are listed. Select the project you want to configure for cross-team collaboration. Click on the Tasks tab located in the menu on the left side. In the Tasks section, review any existing tasks to understand the current setup. To add a new task, click on the Add Task button. Enter a clear and concise title for the task. Provide a detailed description of the task, outlining its objectives and deliverables. Assign the task to the relevant team members by using the assignment feature. Set a due date to ensure accountability and timely completion. Include priority levels to help team members prioritize their work effectively. To enhance collaboration, enable comments on the task for team discussions. Utilize the tagging feature to categorize tasks by project or team. Once all details are filled in, click on Create Task to save it. Notify team members about the new task by using the notification feature. Encourage team members to update task statuses as they progress. Regularly review the task list to ensure everything is on track. If necessary, adjust due dates and redistribute assignments based on team feedback. Hold regular check-ins to discuss progress and address any challenges. Once tasks are completed, mark them as done to keep the project organized. Utilize reports to analyze task completion rates and efficiency for future projects. This setup fosters a more collaborative and transparent working environment across teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.